Is your tiny apartment bursting with clutter? Living in a compact space can feel like a puzzle, but we've got the perfect pieces to solve it. In this video, we're showcasing some genius space-saving storage solutions that transform cramped kitchens, cozy bedrooms, and tiny bathrooms into organized, stylish havens. Ready to reclaim your space? Let's jump into these game-changing storage ideas. Maximize your kitchen with the pull-out, durable, slide-out kitchen storage, a must-have for tiny apartments. Its adjustable shelves accommodate various bottle heights, while the slide-out design ensures spices and condiments are always accessible. Two magnetic storage accessories enhance organization, sticking to compatible racks for a clutter-free setup. Perfect for kitchens, pantries, or even bathrooms, its versatile design adapts to your needs. The lift-top coffee table is a small space superhero for tiny apartments. Its tabletop effortlessly lifts to create a workspace or dining surface, perfect for sofa-side meals or work-from-home tasks. A hidden compartment beneath the top stores laptops, remotes, or game controllers, keeping them dust-free and handy. The spacious open shelf below holds blankets, books, or snacks, maximizing storage without cluttering your living room. Declutter your tiny apartment with these folding storage boxes. Each bin holds 48 quarts and supports up to 150 pounds, perfect for clothes, books, or tools. Dual front doors and removable top provide easy access, while 4 rotating wheels ensure mobility for home or camping. Stackable and foldable in 4 steps, they save space when not in use. Special grooves ensure secure stacking, ideal for small spaces. The 3-tier rolling storage cart is a space-saving gem for tiny apartments. Its rotatable, detachable wire baskets store spices, veggies, or laundry, with each tier holding 6.6 pounds. The rust-proof steel frame supports up to 40 pounds, while ventilated baskets keep produce fresh. 4 360-degree swivel wheels ensure easy mobility, and magnetic latches prevent spills during movement. The fence top panel adds extra storage, keeping items secure. Declutter your tiny apartment's tools or crafts with these hardware electronic storage. Perfect for screws, hardware, or sewing supplies, the multi-drawer design makes sorting and accessing small items a breeze. Stackable with secure lid grooves or wall-mountable, these units save space in garages, offices, or craft rooms. Whether storing fishing gear or classroom supplies, these drawers adapt to your needs. Protect your fine china in your tiny apartment with this set of 5 fine china storage containers. Designed for 7, 8.5, 10, and 12-inch plates, plus a mug box for 12 cups. These boxes feature soft felt dividers and quilted interiors to prevent chips or scratches. Zippered lids and sturdy handles ensure secure, elegant storage, while faux leather label slots add a stylish touch. Perfect for small kitchens or dining areas, they keep your dinnerware dust-free. Keep medications secure in your tiny apartment with the First Aid Safe Medication Storage Box. Made from durable aluminum alloy and ABS, this box features a key lock with 2 keys for safety. A removable plastic tray with 3 compartments and a polyester pocket organizes pills, valuables, or accessories. Whether storing first aid supplies or personal items, this box maximizes space and security. Maximize corner space in your tiny apartment's garage or balcony with the garden tool holder and storage. This metal rack features 31 holes and 8 movable S-hooks holding tools like shovels, rakes, or mops. Each grid supports over 50 pounds, and its waterproof, scratch-resistant surface withstands outdoor conditions, while the triangle design saves space. It's perfect for small spaces like sheds or patios. The 32-inch ottoman with storage is a stylish, space-saving solution for tiny apartments. Its solid wood frame and breathable linen fabric hide blankets, pillows, or game controllers, blending seamlessly with any decor. A hinged top lifts effortlessly to reveal generous storage, while a side pocket keeps remotes or magazines handy. Use it as a footrest, extra seating, or even a table, making it perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or entryways. Squeeze storage into tight spots with the slim storage cart. Equipped with 360-degree rotating wheels, this cart glides into narrow spaces like bathrooms, kitchens, or offices. Adjustable as a 2- or 3-tier shelf, it organizes toiletries, spices, or office supplies. The mesh hollow design prevents water buildup, keeping items dry. Side hoops add extra storage for small items, maximizing space in cramped areas. Ideal for small space living, it keeps essentials accessible and tidy. Transform unused bathroom space with the over-the-toilet storage cabinet. It fits above your toilet, offering an open shelf and a cabinet with a sliding barn door. Adjustable shelves accommodate toiletries, jars, or plants, while the rustic farmhouse design adds charm. Store cleaners, towels, or rolls efficiently, keeping your bathroom tidy. This space-saving solution maximizes vertical storage, blending style and function to make your small bathroom feel larger. Make the most of your tiny apartment with under-bed storage containers. Designed for clothes, blankets, or bedding, the bins offer generous capacity for small spaces. Transparent plastic lids allow easy content identification, while dust-proof fabric keeps items fresh. Reinforced handles and robust zippers ensure easy access and secure closure. Perfect for under beds, closets, or couches, they maximize unused space. The slim storage cabinet is a lifesaver for tiny homes, fitting into tight spaces like bathrooms or bedrooms. It holds 4 to 5 standard toilet paper rolls with shelves for accessories or plants. Use it as a toilet paper dispenser or a bedroom organizer, keeping essentials accessible and simplify your small space living. This versatile cabinet offers practical organization and a modern aesthetic for any tight corner. Elevate your tiny home with the rotatable full-length mirror with jewelry storage. This 4-in-1 solution combines a 360-degree HD mirror, jewelry organizer, vanity mirror, and storage drawer. Touchscreen lighting ensures comfortable makeup or jewelry fitting. Foldable acrylic shelves, magnetic earring holders, and velvet necklace pockets keep accessories organized and safe. Measuring space efficiently, it's perfect for small bedrooms or dressing areas. Tidy your tiny apartment's garage with the storage garage shelf wall-mounted with wire baskets. This heavy-duty metal shelving includes a shelf, 2 wire baskets, a storage frame, a tool rack, and a hook rack, offering large capacity for tools or supplies. Perfect for garages, workshops, or gardens, it organizes shovels, brooms, or cleaning supplies. Easy to assemble with clear instructions, it keeps your space clutter-free.
Organize your tiny apartment's footwear with sturdy shoe storage boxes, featuring clear magnetic doors. These stackable boxes are dust and moisture-proof, protecting sneakers, heels, or casual shoes. The transparent design lets you spot shoes instantly, while lock catches ensure stable stacking in closets, entryways, or under beds. Magnetic doors make access easy, even one-handed. Easy to assemble and clean. They're built for daily use. Free up kitchen space in your tiny apartment with the pot pan hanging rack wall-mounted storage. This set includes 2 shelves with 10 S-hooks, installable side by side. Made from premium particle board and iron brackets, each shelf holds 50 pounds and the rail supports 20 pounds, ensuring durability. Perfect for pots, pans, or utensils, it transforms unused wall space into storage. Ideal for small kitchens, it keeps essentials accessible without cluttering counters. Streamline your apartment's wardrobe with the closet organizers and storage drawer. This slide-out stackable drawer organizes socks, bras, ties, or scarves, keeping your dresser tidy. The covered design maintains a clean closet, while dividers ensure efficient sorting. Perfect for baby clothes or adult accessories, it holds over 10 bras without damage. Use alone or combine multiple units to maximize closet space. Declutter your tiny apartment's kitchen with the microwave storage shelf for kitchen counter. Expandable from 17.4 inches to 27.4 inches with 3 adjustable height levels. It fits microwaves, toasters, or pots. Made from carbon steel, this sturdy shelf includes a towel rack, cutting board stand, and 8 hooks for tools. Perfect for small kitchens. It keeps counters tidy and essentials accessible. Use it to organize bottles, bowls, or spices, maximizing space. Maximize your tiny apartment's closet with tank-top space-saving storage hangers. Featuring 20 foldable hooks, these wooden hangers organize tank tops, bras, ties, or scarves, keeping your closet tidy. The 360-degree rotating hook allows easy access from any angle, while foldable hooks prevent garment damage and save space when not in use. As a multi-functional organizer, they keep delicate clothing protected and accessible. Add storage to your tiny apartment with the adjustable under-shelf storage basket. It fits various shelf thicknesses in kitchens, pantries, or offices. Made from solid carbon steel, its stable structure holds 10 pounds without tilting, perfect for cans, paper plates, or laundry pots. Use it under desks for books or in cabinets for spices, maximizing unused space. Ideal for small spaces, it keeps essentials organized and accessible. Elevate your tiny apartment's kitchen with the magnetic storage rack, a set of 6 premium spice racks. Crafted from durable wood and carbon steel, they stick to fridges, stoves, or washers, saving counter space. Large magnets ensure a secure hold, keeping spices or tools accessible without spills. Use them for seasonings, utensils, or even laundry supplies, maximizing versatility. Their elegant design adds a modern touch to your decor. Tidy your home's cabinets with the adjustable under-sink organizer. Offering tool-free height settings, it fits kitchens or bathrooms. Its durable metal frame handles heavy cleaning supplies, outperforming flimsy plastic organizers. Smooth glide rails and a locking mechanism keep drawers secure, offering reliable access. Mostly pre-assembled, it's easy to set up and maximizes cabinet space, perfect for storing toiletries or detergents. Store your bike in a tiny apartment with the wall-mounted bike storage solution. No lifting is needed, just balance the bike on its rear wheel and push it into the rack. Fitting tires up to 2.1 inches wide and wheels 20 to 28 inches, it holds 77 pounds. The patented receiver distributes weight to prevent tire damage, while a plastic tire tray stabilizes the bike. Adjustable pivoting arms and a foldable design save space when not in use, perfect for garages or small rooms. Secure your apartment's valuables with the fireproof document storage box. Made from double-layered silicone-coated fiberglass, it withstands 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit and is water-resistant, protecting files, passports, or CDs. It fits letter and legal-sized documents, with mesh bags for small items. A 3-digit combination lock ensures security, while a handle and side pockets add portability. Foldable when not in use, it saves space in homes or offices. Organize your apartment's bathroom with the space-saving bathroom storage solution. This hanging shower caddy features 7 pockets, 3 small, 4 large, for shampoo, body wash, or conditioners. Made from tear-resistant polyester mesh, it drains water quickly, preventing buildup. Hand-washable for easy care, it's built to last. Ideal for small bathrooms, it keeps essentials accessible without cluttering space. Maximize your tiny space's storage with the hanging storage organizer with clear window. Featuring 5 tiers and 10 compartments, this organizer holds 80 pounds without tilting. 4 sturdy hooks fit doors 1.4 inches to 1.73 inches thick, while 10 mesh side pockets store keys or small items. Perfect for diapers, clothes, or toys, it's versatile for closets or dorms. Ideal for small spaces, it frees up floor space while keeping essentials accessible. Free up counter space in your tiny home with the metal fruit and vegetable storage hanging baskets. Featuring large and medium baskets, they hold fruits, onions, or supplies. The thick wire mesh with anti-rust coating ensures durability, supporting heavier items without deforming. The grid design keeps produce fresh, while easy wall mounting saves space. Use multiple baskets to create a storage center, keeping essentials accessible. Optimize your tiny apartment with the wall-mounted table folding storage solution. This table folds down to 1.75 inches thick, saving space in garages, kitchens, or offices. Made from high-strength 14-gauge steel and 1-inch thick veneer particle board, it supports heavy loads with a scratch-resistant surface. A fingertip release mechanism makes folding easy, revealing a sleek teak finish. Easy to install on concrete or drywall, it's ideal for small spaces. Tidy your tiny apartment's bathroom with the hairdryer holder storage. Made from rust-proof stainless steel with a brushed nickel finish, this wall-mounted holder organizes your hairdryer, cables, and accessories like combs or cleansers. The top layer stores small items, while the bottom holds the dryer, saving counter space. The open design ensures quick access and heat dissipation, keeping your tools safe. What a lineup of space-saving brilliance! These genius storage solutions, from slide-out shelves to folding tables, prove that tiny apartments can be big on organization and style. Each product maximizes space, declutters your home, and makes small space living a breeze. If this video sparked ideas for your space, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. Check the description for links and share this video with friends struggling with small spaces. Thanks for watching.